Right? Go
Yes.
through the questions over here and then write in the chat box the answer. 1 until 15 for prepositions. Then we shall discuss together. All right? Okay, do this now, guys. Send to me personally, yeah? Do not send to everyone. Guys, I just want to confirm, last week we did idioms, right? Are we done with all the idioms? Yes
Teacher,
or
do
no?
we do the essay? Like, do we fill in the blanks?
Again?
Do we fill in the blanks?
No need to fill in the blank. Just write number 1, A, B, C, or D. Right. Last week we did
Okay.
idioms, correct, Jaden?
Yes, teacher, we did. Yeah,
So
last
are
week
we
we did.
done with all the idioms?
Yeah.
Not oh, okay. Yeah, oh, yeah. Actually, yeah, we are done. We are done.
All right, okay. Send to me, guys, your answers.
And teacher.
You are done?
Yes.
Jaden? But you haven't sent to me your answers.
Teacher.
Is it? Why I can't see?
Yeah, I sent already.
Why? Why can't I see anyone's answer? Can you all see what I sent? QW?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes. But I can't see the rest of you. Okay. How many of you have sent me your answers? Raise your hand.
I don't know how to raise my hand, so I'll just say, yeah, I did.
The rest, Shushmita, did you send? Jordan? Snowy? The answers for this part. For question 1 until 15. Snowy, did you send to me faster?
Sorry, I'm not done yet.
All right. Jordan, how about you, Jordan?
Not done yet.
All right. Okay, now let's discuss the answers together. Jordan, can you please read Jordan?
A person is not born with a personality. He acquires one as he goes, bracket life
Goes. What's the answer?
through.
Okay, I'm read finish the sentence. He goes live.
Much, bracket, he develops the ability, bracket, read on to play the piano.
All right. So what's the answer, guys? He acquires one as he goes in life, through life, at life, with life. As he goes through life, all right? Much, he develops the ability. Much as he develops the ability to read or to play the piano. All right. Number 3 is 2. Okay. Read.
Through,
Yeah.
through he inherits the foundation, bracket, his personality, bracket, the form of physical and mental capacities, but the pattern bracket his personalities is built bracket as he goes through life.
Oh, wow. Okay. Through he inherits the foundation, his personality. He inherits the foundation of his personality, right? Okay. And number 5, the answer is B. In the form of physical and mental capacities, but the pattern, number 6 of C, 6 is C, pattern of his personality is built up as he goes through life. All right, continue.
And personality is not something definite like height, weight.
And personality is not definite like height, weight. 8 was the answer. Height, at weight, overweight, or 8 for 8. What's the answer, guys? Or weight. Number 8 is C. Right, continue.
Rather, it consists bracket all the personal qualities that make each person different bracket every other person.
All right. Okay, rather it consists of of all personal qualities that make each person different from each other. Right. What's the answer? Read, tell me, read along with the answer, Jordan. It is.
It is a general quality of behavior that is influenced. I want to see my answer.
All right. A central core that is influenced.
True.
Not. The answer is by. Yes. Okay, continue. This core.
This core is the person's own idea bracket picture of what he is and what he can do.
All right, 12. Is the person's own idea or. Okay, right. Next.
He doesn't inherit this core bracket his personalities.
Answer. This core.
With.
Not with. Of A. Right? Okay, continue. He develops.
He develops bracket the way he is treated bracket other people from the moment he is born.
He develops it. What's the answer for 14?
From.
All right. 15, the way he is treated by other people the moment he's born. All right. Done with this. Any question, guys? Nope. All right. So let's move on. Moving on to part B. Okay. Again, objective. So I want you guys to answer question 1 until 20 as usual in the chat box. Once you are done, send to me in the chat box. 1 until 20. Do it now. This is more like a revision, guys. I'm sure you guys have learned all this, right, before. So this is just a revision that we're going on. Python means a type of snake.
Teacher, you know, I knew the country Mozambique after, like, I only knew it was a country after I heard about the snake Mozambique. Like, after I heard about the snake, then only I learned about the country.
Oh,
Uh, as for other people, it's like the vice versa.
in total 15 questions, Nathania? 5 more to, sorry, 20 questions. So 5 more to go. Sorry, 10 more to go. Okay, guys, I think we shall discuss, all right? Okay, who wants to read? Any volunteer to read the first 5 questions? No need to worry about the answer. We can just discuss together the answer.
Second,
Well, okay, please read. Read the first 5 questions,
June,
huh?
June
Okay.
was shopping slash the hypermarket when I bumped her
Answer. She was shopping
at
at bar hypermarket
when I bumped
into her. Number 1, huh?
yeah.
Yes, A. Number 2,
We had to squeeze the crowd to get our seats
we have to squeeze. What's the answer?
through
Through the crowd to get,
by
no, to get to our seats. The answer is C. Okay, number 3.
the salmon will swim the
Okay, guys,
current
the word, the way to pronounce this is not salmon. It's supposed to be salmon. The L need to be silent, right? Okay, again, Sabri, the salmon.
the salmon will swim the current in order to reach the upper course the river to spawn.
Right, number 3, what's the answer?
C.
Yes, will swim on in order to reach the upper course of. All right, number 4.
The children retreated fear when they came a python.
Retreated. What's the answer?
A.
Number 4. Yes, they retreated in fear when they come over. Sorry, they came over a python. All right, number 5.
The peoples went during their task great enthusiasm.
What's the meaning of enthusiasm?
Enthusiasm.
What's the meaning of it, guys? Anyone? Enthusiasm means like semangat, right? The pupils went. What's the answer for 5?
5 is C.
No, the pupils went about doing their tasks with great enthusiasm. So 5 is B, right? Okay, next. Snowy, can you please read 6 until 10? Oh, Snowy is not even here. All right. Merlin, please read Merlin.
The orphans are well looked. The management of the orphanage.
Okay, the orphans are well looked.
After by the management of the orphanage.
Very good. Number 6 is C. Yeah. All right. Number 7.
The earth rotates itself while it revolves the sun.
The earth rotates
By itself while it
By-
round the sun.
round the sun. Okay. The answer is A. Yeah. Number 8.
All members must
Abide.
abide the rules the club.
Okay. What's the answer for 8?
B.
B. All right. So remember, guys, abide by is one phrase. It must come together, right? Abide by means like must follow the rules. Okay. So the answer is B. Okay. Number 9.
We were too tired to proceed, so we took a breather, a stream.
We were too tired to proceed. What's the answer?
Further,
Further. So we took a breather
near,
near a stream. Stream
a
is
stream.
river, yeah, right? Okay, 10.
The seminar, quite a number of the participants, those
What's the answer for 10?
D.
D, yeah. During the seminar, dozed off. What's the meaning of dozed off? Slept off, right? Dozed off means slept off. Okay. 11. Jaden, do you want to read? No response from Jaden. Jordan? Jordan, are you there? Okay, never mind. Merlin, just continue. Yeah.
The child was full confidence when he stepped the stage to deliver his maiden speech.
Answer for 11.
B.
B, yeah, full of confidence. All right. 12.
Ida dashed home just time to say goodbye her father.
Just in time. All right. So the answer is A. 13. You ought.
You ought clean the table a wet cloth.
You ought
C.
to clean the table with a wet cloth. All right. 13 is C. Okay. 14.
Zul is popular. His friends because he is good making jokes.
Is popular.
D.
B or C? Good in making jokes or good at making jokes? The answer is A. Sorry, not A. The answer is B. Good at making jokes. Right? Okay, 15.
If you are a spell, you are not conscious doing anything.
If you are
B.
ABC, what's your answer? Spell means what? Like jumpy, huh? If you are
C.
Under a spell, yes, under, right. 16,
The manager is angry, his staff not being
proactive enough, right.
proactive enough.
The manager is angry,
B.
no. The manager is angry with his staff for not being proactive enough, right. 17,
If you go the boundary, you may be great trouble.
okay, 70 was the answer. If you go, like
B.
across the boundary. So if you go beyond,
B.
yes, B, very good. All right, 18,
I was down the
with diarrhea.
diarrhea the past few days.
Answer, I was down with diarrhea for the past few days. So 18 is C, right? 19,
You may not be able to cope life in the city. It is very hectic.
hectic. So answer, you may not able to cope,
D.
D, with city life, all right. 20,
Thank God that we managed to arrive the convention time.
managed to arrive,
A.
at the convention on time. All right, very good. Okay, next, conjunctions. Okay, guys. Try to do these 20 questions now. Okay, you guys should know what's the use of and when you want to give more than one information or example. So when you want to give reason, okay, but you want to make an exemption. Or when do we use or? When we want to give a choice, right? Okay, try answering these 20 questions. Limitation means, how to say, what is limitation? Your boundary means you shouldn't cross that. Oh, it's imitation, not limitation. Sorry, imitation means you're copying someone. Okay, or here, Eugene didn't buy the gadget. It was an imitation. Imitation means like a fake product. It's not the original product, the fake product. Okay, guys. So what I want you guys to do is, this will be your homework until 20, right? So 1 until 20, it will be your homework. The following will be continuing next week. So for next week, there won't be any new handout, right? Because you're going to use this week's handout as we are not done with this yet. Okay. So today we have covered preposition along with singular and plural nouns. Okay. Any question regarding these guys? No? All right. So let's say you guys are going to have exam tomorrow. All the best. Make sure you guys read the questions properly, especially when it comes to your essay question. Do not go out of the topic. So make sure once you guys are done with every paragraph, read back the question to ensure you are writing according to the requirement of the question. Right? Okay. So that's all for today's lesson. So see you all next week then. All right. Okay then. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye,
All right.
teacher.
All right. Bye.